Welcome back. In the previous part, we recorded demonstrations for Isaac Lab Mimic. In this video, we will annotate those recordings. To annotate the dataset, we will run a simple command inside the Isaac Lab folder. Copy the command from Isaac Lab documentation. I will provide the command in description box. This script takes your recorded demos and adds subtask labels to them. The input file is dataset.htf5, which is recorded in the last video. You can find this in datasets folder. Once we hit enter, the script will process the dataset. You will see logs in the terminal as it loads each demo, detects key moments, and adds annotation metadata. Press N to begin and press S to annotate subtask signals. Now we have pressed N. After grasping, press S. After stacking, press S. After grasping the second one, press S. Next episode begin. Do the same for all the episodes. Once we annotate all the episodes, it will end. The output file argument defines where the annotated version will be saved. Here it's annotated_dataset.htf5. Now we can try automatic annotation using --auto flag, grasping, stacking, etc. without manual labeling. Take the terminal to see the logs for automatic annotation. So now it is annotating episode 1. After this, it will annotate the next episode. After annotating all the 10 episodes, it will end. So, as a user, you can use either manual annotation or automatic annotation. This annotated dataset is what we will use in the next part to train our imitation learning model. Thank you.